Hey, so I have shared this video for a very long time. Then I found few of them asking me what is the strategy of the script which I'm using. So can you see this? It's a lighter type of shadow. And whenever this type of shadow had happened, there had been a significant downfall for at least 3 minutes. Okay. So whenever you have one, two, and then three. So whenever you have the starting point, after 3 minutes, most probably one, two, and three. Most probably, whenever you see the pink line, you will win. Okay, fine. One, two, three. So there's a huge chance of winning whenever such kind of down situation happens. So one, two, three. It may sometimes have more impact, but it's okay. So yeah, one, two, three. In some situations, you have the dark line, so it doesn't give you the clear view of it. But okay, whenever it is near to the 200 EMA, it's gonna work pretty nicely. Okay, in this case, is never use it because it can be a wrong signal as well. Try whenever it's a down. Can you see the downtrend? So always take trades for the down arrows, not to the up arrows, because it may be a trap. Okay, let's see. So can you see this? It gives a lot of signals. It's a 2 minute candle, so that's why it's showing. If it is 1 minute candle, you can see how well it works. In 3 minutes is one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. That's one, two, three, one, two, three, and all 3 minutes it will go down. That's for sure. It works perfectly. It's not like a fractal or a parabolic sort. It's better than that. Sometimes it may have repercussions. Okay, so whenever you see that there is a signal coming in this line, don't trade. Always wait for it to go back and then trade. Okay, whenever it's in a downtrend, try to take a lot of trades in a downward direction. Whenever it's an uptrend, try to take a lot of uh, decisions to the upside. Okay, let's have another one. Here it's not that strong, but it's fine. You can see the trend happening because, as you can see, the arrow is getting slower and slower. And once it got slower, it just penetrated. And once it was penetrated, you won't take the down shadow, rather you'll take the up. So whenever it is closer to the point, you just have to wait and understand. Never take trades when the 200 EMA is in a zigzag line. This is a very much highly avoidable stage you have to follow. If you increase the time frame, you will see lesser amount of strips happening. But yeah, the whole point remains the same. Focus on signals perfectly. Okay, in 10 minutes you won't see the signal. Likewise, in 5 minutes you may see the signals because it will tell you that if we have to take downward trend or a downward trend. Right now it's in a neutral state.